Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel. On this channel, I discuss fashion, style, and luxury. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe. You can do that down below with the red subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notifications tab to know every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to do the latest unboxing of some Coach products that I got. I recently went on a little bit of a shopping spree. I had a budget to go shopping, and I decided I was going to invest in handbags because I literally had like none. I had like one, and I'm like, I need to upgrade. It's time to be a lady and actually have regular lady things. But this I could not stay away from. So this is the third Coach product I got. You've seen the other ones. This is the final Coach product I bought so far. Like, I think I'll buy from them in the future. So I bought this from the Coach website. I do like the way they package things, so I choose to unbox their stuff, even though I don't normally do that. So let's just get right into it. Again, I love the way that they package their receipts and their return shipping labels. I think that is just so neat in the little pouch. And their boxes usually look nice. Before they came with like a whole bunch of stuffing, but now, you know, they're just coming with this circular like paperboard and a little sticker. But that's fine because this item actually came with a dust bag, and that's shocking to me because the other two items were real leather and they did not come with dust bags, and this one is just canvas, but it came with a dust bag. But I think this little dust bag is so cute. I'm so happy they put this in here. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. I'm super excited for this. Okay, and here it is. So this is the Coach Cosmetics case. It is a canvas case with the little rose printing. Looks like I had a little stuff, little glue or something on it, but I love how it has the raised Coach hardware. All the products that I ordered have that, and I think it's really pretty. So let's just open it up, see what's inside. We have the tag. Okay, $75 for this. I only paid like $52 because it was on sale. You can see, nice and authentic. And then we have the care card, but I won't worry about those right now. Let's see. And it has the little Coach, what do they call it? A motto or creed, just in there. And a little pocket as well. I think it's adorable. It's gonna look really cute with my latest handbag purchases, especially the pink ones. I've gone with like a rose and pink and beige color scheme and gray, and it's just all coming together so well. So yeah, this is the Rose Print Cosmetics case from Coach. It's looking beautiful. I'll leave all the information in the box below if you want to go ahead and pick this up from Coach.com. Maybe it's in their outlets, maybe it's not, I don't know, but it's at least on the website. Makes it easy for you. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and remember to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. So until then, have a gorgeous day. Bye.